Hey everybody, this is Nate. In this video I'm making a tong rack. Might be good if there's any beginners out there. We just bought some new tongs and you need a place to hang them up. Take a look. I'm starting out with 1/4 by 3/4 steel. I'm splitting both ends the same. I have a piece of 1/4 inch plate underneath my chisel so that I don't damage the face of my anvil. I'm using my chisel to gauge how far in I'm cutting at each end. Each cut is 2 chisel widths deep. It's just an easy way to keep everything the same. Here I'm using my cutoff tool to help finish the split. I'm trying to keep both legs symmetrical and equal length. You don't have to do that. You could have one long and one short. This piece I started with was 18 inches long. Any shorter than that, you'd have to use tongs. I had to wear a glove because it was getting hot, and I had to keep cooling the end in water. Here I'm punching the mounting holes. Go about halfway through from each side. Keep it over the pritchel hole. Here I'm using my cross-peen hammer to form the part that's going to stick out from the wall. I do the same thing on both ends. Here's the moment of truth. Hot oil finish and hang it up on the wall. Now you've got a place to put your new tongs.